Hello everyone, today I will show you how to get more views on a Facebook page video in order to make more money through Facebook monetization program. Okay, so if you have a video, then you can follow the method along with me, or if you already uploaded the video to your Facebook page, then also this method will work for you. However, one thing to note is that you need at least two accounts in order to make it successful. If you don't have two accounts, then you can use your friend's account, you can use your family member account as well. Okay, now on the left hand side under your shortcuts you can see I have pages, Churats, my Faizabad, I love my phone. These are all pages that I have created over a period of time. So I have shared just for the experiment two videos on one on the first page and one on the second page. Okay, first of all let me go to the first page. Now this page has more than 45,000 likes, but I am not that active into this page. That's why if I put a post, a video, image or anything else, it barely gets any views. You know, if you are operating more than one pages, then you know if you're not active enough on the page, then how much views it will get. Okay, so I have uploaded two videos on this page for the experiment. You can see the first one here that I edited. Now this is simply a copy paste from YouTube only. Okay, I simply edited using the Wondershare Filmora here, the editor. Now you can see I shared it in a different kind of platform here, and I got like 161 people reach here and 14 engagements. However, you can see the second video that is posted right here, young Jackie Chan fighting like a master here. Okay, it got people reached 13,282 and there are 1,699 engagements with 28 shares, and you can see around 56 likes on this post. However, you can see the engagements 1699. Okay, I will show you how I got it. Okay, you can see the number of likes here 45,869. However, because of the inactiveness, I don't get much views from these likes. Okay, I have gotten these views and likes from some other post. Uh, Now let me go and show you the second page here. This one, my Faizabad. Okay, so this is another page. I have more than 10,000 likes on this page as well, and this page actually makes money, but I am very lazy enough in order to not make a post or make a video and post it on this page. So recently I have tried something just in order to check whether I can get views or not. Now on this page also I am not active enough to make sure that I get views from my 10,000 people here. So again the same Jackie Chan video, simply copy paste from a YouTube video. Okay, now you can see the reach here, 10,832 people reached, 1,197 engagements. Okay, 41 shares are there, 3 comments and 40 likes and something like that. Now people reached, you can see the percentage here, 1259%, 2851% up. Okay, so what you are going to do is, okay, let me tell you, and you can simply follow this method along. Okay, go to your second account. Okay, so I am going here to my second account. Now I have posted a video about Jackie Chan. Suppose you are posting some other content like for football or cricket or any other sports, or videos related to dogs, cats, animals, or some videos related to fitness and health and something like that. Then what you are going to do is you are going to use this search bar here, search Facebook. Suppose you are making videos about dogs. Okay, just for the okay, then search for dogs here or search for cute dogs. Now it will give you a ton of search results here. Now from the left hand side select groups here. Okay, now you need to join some 9-10 groups with the highest membership. Okay, just like this one, love my dog, 116k members. Simply join them. You can also join private groups. You may need to answer some questions in those ones, so you can simply answer them and they will let you, they will allow you to join. Okay, suppose this is another group, dog and cat groups, 111k members. Make sure they are also active. You can even join smaller groups, just like 10k members. However, we need to find bigger ones, like dog memes are there. I already joined it. Dog lover is there, 356k members. I already joined it. Okay, so you need to join these kind of groups. Okay, funny and cute animal videos, simply click it. So I already joined it. So you need to join like 9 or 10 groups in your niche with the highest members. Okay, so that if you post something onto those groups and your post get accepted, then you will get lot of views, lot of comments and lot of shares. So once you join the group from the other account, then you need to go to your page here. Okay, suppose I'm going to search for my first page here, this one. I will go to the page. Okay, first of all, simply like the page here from the other account. Now you can see the video here. Now suppose I want to promote this one, like young Jackie Chan fighting like a master. Okay, so suppose I want to promote this one. So what I need to do is I need to simply click on share here. Okay, then click on more options, then click on share to a group. Okay, now I have joined so many Jackie Chan groups here, like Jackie Chan and martial arts related groups as well. Okay, Jackie Chan true fans is here, Jackie Chan is here, Jackie Chan fans is here. Okay, so there are so many groups. So I have shared this video in all these groups. Okay, that's why I'm getting so many views and likes and all that. Okay, so you need to repeat that for all the groups. Okay, like I have 10 or 15 groups, then you need to share it on 10 or 15 groups every time, you know uh, share it on every group. Now maybe there is a chance that you will not get accepted, your post will not get accepted in 3-4 groups, but it will get accepted in at least 3-4 groups. It will surely get accepted, through which you will get likes and more views overall on your video. Okay, so make sure that to share this video on all groups. Okay, now I'm going to show you proof related to this, that how I have shared these videos, two videos, and I have promoted this one especially and I got these views. Okay, so let me go to my home page here. I will also take you to the Creator Studio in order to so that you can see the stats yourself. Okay, so I'm going to the notifications here. Now you can see here that Nafio, Azo, Lucy Morningstar and 185 others reacted to your post in Jackie Chan fans. Here in Jackie 434 others in Jackie Chan fans. Okay, so these are from two different pages. This one is the first video that I just showed you. Okay, this one is the from the another page. Okay, then this one on another page, this one on Jackie Chan page here. The shared your post. So you can see so many here. You can see Jackie Chan fan. On the Jackie Chan fan page is here. Jackie Chan another page, fan club page is there. So you can see there are so many likes and comments on these pages. If I click on this one, 26 minutes ago it is showing. Now you can see I have shared this post here and it is showing 436 like, okay, with 6 comments on it. So this is more than even my page. Okay, so this is how you can get more views on your Facebook page. To get, even if you have monetization enabled, then you will get even more money with it. So now I will take you to my Creator Studio here so that you will see live stats in action. Okay, so here I have reached on the first page in the Creator Studio. So I'm going to the insights here and you will see the performance of all the posts that I have on this page. Okay, now you can see 6.6k minutes viewed for the last 7 days here. You can see as soon as I I shared in the groups, my minutes totally increased here. And you can see this video 6604 views and so many engagements and all that. So I'm going to click here on view more insights. And now you see here that total of 7k minutes viewed, people reach 13.3k, and there are a lot of other stats here. Recommendations, shares 93.2%, total engagement 606 with 20 shares. Out of 20 shares, I guess 7 or 8 I did it. And then you can see the countries and regions through which you are going to get views. Okay, so this is the first page. Now I'm going to the second page here, so that you can even see for the second page as well. Now my second page is monetized, but I don't post that much, that's why I don't make any money out of it. Now you can see 7.9k minutes view, 20,386% from previous 7 days, because I don't post that often. Okay, I also got 20 net followers from that video itself. Look, it looks like it, and you can see as soon as I shared in the groups, you can see the number of minutes viewed. Okay, so here it is, few more insights. So total of 8.3k minutes viewed. Okay, there are other stats, recommendations 4.78%. Now there's a problem with the language, because the Jackie Chan is speaking Mandarin language, and I have all the details in the English language. That's why it is giving language not supported. This is yellow icon, monetization icon error, so I cannot remove it. Okay, but I can make sure that it does not uh, get like this in the next video. Okay, total engagement 364, shares are there 32, and there are a lot of countries through which people are watching because of the groups here. US is there, which is very important if you want to make more money. So this is how you can get more views through groups on your Facebook page video in order to make more money through a Facebook monetization program, or only if you want to get more followers, if you want to reach 10,000 followers on your Facebook page, or you want to reach 6 lakh minutes on your Facebook page. You can simply rinse and repeat this process so that you can get more views, more minutes, more Facebook page likes, and more money. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos just like this. Thank you.